Can you play Flight Simulator on PS5? I'm going to tell you if or when can you play Flight Simulator on PS5. As of today, Microsoft Flight Simulator is still not available on PlayStation 5. It remains an Xbox Series X or S and PC exclusive since Microsoft owns the game. But here are a few games on PS5 that can work as an alternative. 1. Ace Combat 7 Skies Unknown, a high-action combat flight with stunning graphics. War Thunder, a free-to-play military flight sim with realistic aircraft and battles. Another one is Project Wingman, a fast-paced single-player flight simulator with immersive gameplay. There's also Flight Simulator 2025 VR launching on PlayStation VR 2 on March 7, 2025. So while you can't play Microsoft Flight Simulator on PS5 yet, there are still plenty of ways to take to the skies or alternatives.